So now we're going to start by marking the horizontal and the vertical lines. So this is going to work as our nipple to the overbust. And now from here we're going to mark nipple to overbust, which is 2.5. Then we make a line. And this is, and we name this nipple. Then from the nipple we are going to mark 3.5, that is the nipple to underbust line, and we shall mark this center front and we make a line. So we put nipple to underbust. Now our cap width was 7.5, so we're going to mark 7.5. 7.5, and we make a line. So after, we are going to get the midpoint of 7.5. It's quite easy. We shall do this now, which is 3 3/4. Mark it here and even here. Then we make a line. So after, we are going to mark 0.5, then exactly the 0.5 we shall mark 2 inches, and we are going to do the same thing even here, then 2. Okay, then we are going to get our French curve. Check clearly as the way I am using this French curve. On this line, we are going to come down by 1 inch, and we shall mark 0.5 on both sides, as you can see it. Then we shall look at that. Let me get a straight ruler. Then after making that dot, we are going from the dot, we are going to connect to the 2 inches that we marked. So you see the line doesn't start from here, it starts from here. Okay. So after, we're going to mark the bust tightening, and since it is a small cap, for those with a small brush, we're going to mark 1 inch on both sides. 1 inch on both sides. So we get our French curve. Make it very well. So since our cup width was 7.5, we're going to mark and see whether we get 7.5. Okay, just in case we have the excess, we rule it out. We want to see whether it's 7.5. Yes, it is 7.5. So after confirming that it's 7.5, we are going to use our straight ruler and we're going to connect this. And also here like this. So we are going to mark also here and confirm whether it also gives us 7.5. Okay. Yes. So 7.5. So at this point, so now we are going on the skyline, all the overbust. So from the center front, from here you're going to mark 1.05. Okay, you're going to mark 1.05. That is here. Then also from here, this side, you're going to add 0.25. Then here you're going to mark 1.075. That's what you're marking here. Then also here, from here, you're going to mark 2.5. So now we have 3 lines. Here, which is 2.5 inches, which is 0.5, then even here 0.25. So you're going to connect the line, or the 3 lines. So now we roll over this sharp edge. Make it smooth a bit. So we're almost done, and what I'm going to do next is to label. I'm sorry, my mark got issues, so we name this the crown. So this is our underbust. Then from here it was 1 inch. Then this is our center front. and this is our side front. From here up to here it was 0.5, then from here up to here it was 2 inches. So here you do the same, 0.5, near 2 inches. Yeah. So my marker got issues. I would have highlighted, but now no worries. It's time for cutting. Yeah, let's cut. Remember, this is for the small size, not the plus size. It's for the small size. I urge you to take time as you're cutting so that you don't make mistakes. You need to be extremely careful. Extremely careful. No need to rush. Take your time. See, it has come out so well, perfectly, because I took my time as I was cutting. In case you want to learn more, follow my page, Lint Stitches, on TikTok, Facebook. You can even WhatsApp me. Put my number in the bio. Corset making is very easy, very, very easy. Yes. In case you want to learn more, next month I'm going to have my online classes. Yes. But anyways, taking time is very crucial in the cutting process. See our cup. Yeah, so again, the next process is to join the cup. My masking tape got done, so I'm going to use this, but I urge you to use a masking tape because this one gives a lot of hard time. So I don't advise you to use this. Yes, but my masking tape had got done and I really had no option other than using this, but I don't advise anyone to use it. Hey, you see, it's already giving me hard time, but we shall get there. Yes. We shall get there. Slowly by slowly we shall get there. So in case your client's bust is a bit smaller, you can reduce on the width, on the cup width. You can make it 6, or if the client is slightly bigger, you can use 8. Yeah, the width you can use 8. I said we shall get there. But it's really a tug of war. I don't advise anyone, and yeah, but we shall get there. Okay, we shall get there. We shall get there. But as I'm doing this, as I'm using this, is how you use the other one. Eh? Yeah, it's not easy. This part is very crucial and it needs a lot of patience. But it's better you use the other tape, the masking tape. And let me try to put to lift. Let me try to lift my. I don't know whether you're seeing clearly. Let me try to lift it. Try to lift it. See. See. It's not easy. It's not easy. I advise you to use a masking tape. Let me add a second layer. See? Let me add second layer. It's not easy. This part needs a lot of patience. If you're not patient enough, it's not easy. And if you're using this salt tape I'm using, it requires a lot of patience. You just know. But slowly, by slowly, we shall get there. You see? So our cup is already coming out. Yeah. I don't advise anyone to use it. Okay, I don't advise anyone to use it. See the way it's giving me a time? You use it, you'll cry. Anyways, I'm psyching. It requires a lot of time. But slowly by slowly, we shall get there. As I said, we shall get there. I don't know whether you're seeing me clearly. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to cut it, then start from here. So yeah, next time I'll stock the masking tape in large quantities, because what is this? Yeah. By the way, you can use this cup to draft your corset. Yes, I'm going to show you. In case you can first draft. You see how I'm doing it? If you get your masking tape, because that's what I advise you to use. This is how you apply it. After you're done with making your cup, you can just put the cup on the material and then you cut. And then you cut. That is easier. Okay, I'll make a video for that, because it may be a little bit tricky. explaining without showing it practically. I will not have helped some people, so I'll make a video for that, then I'll show it to you in case you're interested. You'll have to follow. Now this thing takes time, but we shall get there. I told you we shall get there. You see, it's already coming out. See. So I'm going to add more tape to so that you see it clearly. Yeah. So this is our small cup. No, the camera is not doing justice. Now this is our small cup. Yeah, see, we have to join it well. Yeah. This is a paper.